This is a 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It has a 6.2-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a remote start feature, the appearance package, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, cruise control, side impact airbags, an unattended headlight warning chime, air conditioning with automatic climate control, steering wheel mounted controls, an anti-lock braking system, dual cargo area lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 28,000 miles on the odometer. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering Louisville Mitsubishi and Louisville Autoplex for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our websites, give us a call, or stop by one of our dealerships. We are conveniently located in Louisville on Interstate 35 between Corporate and Business 121.